We see images like this all the time. The message here is clear. Don't complain. But wait, the reasons people complain are varied and complicated. In fact, we know from research that many times complaining can be quite beneficial. However, an image like this, which is meant to be consumed in just a few seconds, does not challenge us to think deeply about this issue. It is meant to cause a knee-jerk emotional reaction. One reaction might be, heck yeah, I'm so tired of all these people whining. Another might be, whatever, I deserve to share and have my opinion. And yet another might be, please, this image is complaining about complaining? That's idiotic. But who cares? Well, we all should. Oversimplified statements like this and the knee-jerk reactions tend to keep the vitriol flowing and end up further dividing us. So please, think before you share.